I'm Morgan.
I'm Raymond.
I'm Ben.
Yeah, watching. Hi.
What's going on, guys? It's Saturday morning, about 6 a.m. Heading out to Santa Barbara today, see if we can't catch something. Never been out there before. Gonna grab Ben on the way in, get some ice and some snacks, throw them in the cooler, and see if you can't catch something. See you out there. So we're trying to go fishing, and we're driving down the street, and we see a giant fishing yard sale.
Got a little bit sidetracked.
A little
after
bit,
we just
man.
spent $50 in the bait shop.
But dude, when are you gonna pass up a freaking yard sale full of fishing gear?
I had a couple questions for y'all to leave in the comments. So that fish that I caught yesterday, that grouper. I butchered that thing. So my fillet knife it's not the best. It's actually not a fillet knife at all. So I need some.
Give us some tips on what type of fillet knife to get.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Just in a different way. And also, my buddy Morgan over here, he got hooked on this massive, I mean massive rock. So he broke his pole. So we also need some, what's that word that you used?
What?
Some recommendations.
There you go.
Yeah, that's the one. For poles and for fillet knives.
Yeah, I went ahead and snapped my rod yesterday, the tip of it. That's probably happened to every single rod I've ever had.
Yeah, you too?
I guess it's the guns. No, I'm just playing. But anyway, yeah, hook us up. Comment down in the comment section below. Give us some recommendations. Whole Slug Slayer over here needs a fillet knife brand, and I need I know different rod brands, but tell me what y'all like to fish with, and we might go get us some, try them out.
But we're still fishing on a budget, so keep it under $100 if you
Yeah.
can.
Oh, get the Pen 3 series. It's only $250.
We ain't millionaires over here. We're fishing on a budget.
Yeah. All right. Well, we got sidetracked at that amazing fisherman's yard sale, but we're back on the highway heading down to Santa Barbara. We'll see y'all soon. We finally just got here. Got weight on the new pole. Told y'all I needed one. New combo, a little Dawa. Pretty long for a little kid, but he can handle it. Let's go ahead and get these rigged up and get down there. Just cast it out, letting the line sit with the squid on it. Got weight on this new pole, got a lure on it. Gonna try to jig up across the waves and see if we can't snag something up. Nothing at this spot. Gonna go try to find somewhere else to go. Hop around different spots if we can't get something. Like I said, this is unknown territory to us, so we've never fished out here before. One guy got a small perch, and the more I think about it, I looked online and all these people catch out here is perch. So we'll see how these different spots go. just got to this new spot. Kind of some back roads at the ocean. I'm gonna try this out. Lady at the bait shop said, "Oh, here's this lure. You should buy this, Ben. It's only 20 bucks. Fishing on a budget, my butt." Y'all gotta see this monster fish we just caught. Psych! Got skunked! Again. I think it's like a hooked channel thing every time we go to a new spot. Scut-ow! First time. Nothing. Second time, something. That was on Magoo. I don't know if I want to come back to Santa Barbara.
No.
It's promising looking waters with a whole lot of garbage.
No. Screw this. These rich ass fish.
Fishing's fishing, it ain't catching. As I said before. I'm gonna have to try again. So much for content.
I caught something. I caught a nice sunburn.
I thought you caught feelings with that new $20 lure you bought. We're heading back home. Gonna drop Ben off, get home to Mama, go enjoy the rest of our day. It's alright. Waking up early to go fishing. Still beautiful views out here. Santa Barbara's a nice place to visit. Maybe it'll be like Malibu. Go there to eat and chill. Don't go there to fish. We will see y'all next time. Catch you on the fish side.